This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear and making the first attachment. Clean both surfaces so optics are clear, and remove any case that shifts alignment. Next, position the clip lens so its optical center matches your phone camera. This prevents vignetting and ghosting. Once done, press the clip until it grips firmly. Feel for no wobble. Make sure the lens sits flat against the phone body. This ensures consistent focus and keeps the sensor-to-lens distance correct for best image quality. Once attached, you refine focus and exposure. Tap the screen to set focus on your subject, or switch to manual focus if your app supports it, since clip lenses change the plane of focus. Then lock exposure and AE/AF so the camera doesn't hunt while you recompose. This reduces flicker and exposure shifts. Make sure to lower ISO and lengthen shutter when possible to preserve detail. To avoid blur, stabilize the phone on a tripod or table, and use a timer or remote shutter to capture clean. You finish by shooting, reviewing, and making final fixes. Take several test frames at various distances to find the sweet spot for sharpness and minimal distortion. Then review images on a larger screen. Crop, correct perspective, and reduce vignetting in post if required. If things go wrong, like soft corners or heavy vignetting, recenter the lens and retest, or slightly increase subject distance because macro spacing changes effective aperture. One key troubleshooting tip: if alignment fails, remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.